Year 1980, car 1967 Camaro, and this is my dad, and it is one of the big reasons why I decided to buy this 2010 Camaro SS to start as my next build project. I'm super excited to start this build. We're on our way to my buddy Cody's shop for our very first modification. I'm excited to reveal to you. Hopefully y'all like it, guys. Let's get to it.
Ryan Little.
Oh, hey guys, this is Cody over at Sign Effects. I wanted to take a moment to introduce you to the Trackstar Camaro. We're getting ready to go through the entire process of designing a wrap, printing the wrap, and installing the wrap. Get ready, because here it comes. So the first thing that we do when it comes to wrapping a vehicle is we'll have you either send us pictures of your vehicle and measurements, or we can have you bring it by our office and we'll take care of that part of the process for you. After we've got the pictures and measurements, then we'll move on to the information collection. And this is the most boring part probably for you, but for us it's the most interesting. At this point we'll figure out what your favorite colors are, what kind of information that you would like to be displayed on the vehicle, or if there's any special graphics that you just have to have. We'll make sure that we collect all of this information to simplify and perfect the design process. So then it's time to work on our design. We'll take our image and put it inside of our art program, at which point we'll pull it up to scale based on the measurements that we've received. At that point, we'll begin to outline the body of the vehicle that's going to receive the wrap. Once this is done, we'll take this shape that I've created away from the original image. And this will create our mask, which then I'll paste over the original image of the vehicle, completing our mask layer. Using all of the information that you provided us, we'll begin to lay out the wrap on the vehicle. So on this particular vehicle, we've sent a few different examples for them to take a look at. We've tweaked the design as much as we needed to tweak until we've come up with something that is suitable and liked by everyone.
So, Cody just got done clay barring the car, and look at how disgusting this clay bar is. Oh my God. And a couple things on the paint that y'all didn't notice that I can't wait to get rid of when this wrap. Obviously, whoever owned it before parked it underneath a tree or something, so there's definitely some water spots, some contaminants, some sap, some old man juice. I mean, who knows what's on this thing. This is a super exciting part, and I'm going to show y'all here in just a bit when we reveal the car. But we are doing a special little surprise in the interior, and I hope y'all really like it. I am super excited to see how it turns out.
Alright, so what you doing, bud?
Alright, so right now we just got this panel off of the printer. It just came off. This printer is pretty awesome, so it allows the vinyl, the ink on the vinyl to dry pretty instantly, and that way we can laminate it right now. Some printers take up to 24 hours for the ink to degress, or before you can laminate it, but we got some top-notch stuff around here. Right now, I love to get this vinyl through my laminator as straight as I can to reduce any kind of track and have any lamination exposed on the sides. So we're going to take it back here to the shop, get a nice 90-degree edge on here, and we'll feed it through.
Nice.
Thank you.
Hey man,
Hey, it's late, yeah.
now that we're done with all the prints, they're ready to go on the vehicle.
So I have one more newbie question. What type of adhesive is on the back side of this wrap? Like, what is the adhesive?
Well, this is a semi-permanent adhesive, which means that it is made to be easily removable for up to 3 years. After that, you might have a little bit of adhesive to pull off of the vehicle once you've got it completely removed.
Cody, I'm excited. So I'm sure y'all are asking what the next step is after it gets wrapped. Well, the next modification that we're doing, BC Racing is supplying us with some coilovers, so we're getting some Series 3 Fortune coilovers for this, so it sits super pretty. Then, once the wrap is done and we see the outside and how it's going to turn out, then we'll select a wheel and we'll know the offset, because then we have the suspension done.
So, a newbie like me that's never had a wrap on a car before, what are some things that I should look out for maintenance-wise? Take care of it, cleaning, washing, anything like that?
Just like what we've talked about, ceramic coating is very important. That helps reduce the likelihood of dirts becoming impregnated in the clear. Lamination that's applied to the print. Then you can wash it just like you wash a normal vehicle. So make sure you take all the proper precautionary steps to help maintain this wrap just like you would paint.
Yeah. So this material, is it buffable? Is it like self-healing? Like
it is self-healing to some degree, and you can use an orbital buffer with a light compound.
My friend, the truck looks really good.
Thank you.
Absolutely. So we talked to this guy yesterday. This guy specializes in car detailing. Tyler, Texas. Chilos, is that the correct pronunciation?
Yes, sir.
Check him out on Facebook. Phone number's right here. This guy does amazing work, I can already tell. Cody talks really highly of him. And obviously, I think his specialty is the ceramic coating right now, isn't it?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Yeah, we talked about that yesterday and the benefits of it.
Yeah, the benefits with the ceramic coat, pretty much, it cuts down time on cleaning it, and also it protects it about 10 times better than wax. You pretty much actually save money if you wax your vehicle, say, once a month, and someone charges you $220 or $230, $240. Pretty much, you pay the flat rate of whoever does the ceramic coating for the vehicle, and you actually save, say, maybe $5,000.
Yeah.
And it protects it. It takes care of the vehicle.
Yeah.
For years to come.
So that's what we're saying. If you spend a little bit of money up front and get the ceramic coating on your car, you're actually going to end up saving some money. One, your resale value is going to be higher because your car is going to be protected and you're not going to have all the chips and dings like everybody else, and better paint quality. And I know ceramic coating can go on a lot of different styles of panels and stuff too, unlike wax.
Yeah, it can go pretty much on anything. You can actually apply it on chrome, headlights, windshields, actual paint.
Yeah. The
wraps.
ceramic coating on the front windshield is actually pretty popular right now. I've heard of that.
On the windshields and headlights, a lot of the people that come in to get your headlight restorations, sometimes I charge maybe $50 more to actually apply the ceramic coating, so like that'll actually last longer. But even without it, on the headlight restorations, I always put a lifetime warranty on my work.
Yeah.
So in case something happens or it hazes, or say it's aftermarket type lens, they can just bring it in and I really do it for them.
Yeah. And that is a huge thing with you guys. I see y'all all running around with those nasty yellow headlights. Y'all better come down to Chilo's and get it fixed. Well, just look how good this, I mean, in person, guys, this truck literally looks like it's straight out of the dealership right now.
Yes.
Like straight out of the factory, like perfect paint, hasn't left, like, wow.
It has almost 200,000 on the vehicle.
There's 200,000 miles on this vehicle? Wow! And then also, we're definitely going to be doing the Camaro and the ceramic coating, so we'll go around in full detail whenever we do that, especially when it comes to vinyl wrap, because that's one of the unique things about ceramic coating is the application of vinyl wrap.
Yeah.
Like, that's super unique.
Yeah, that's the unique part about the wraps. A lot of people don't really know about actually doing the ceramic coats on the vehicles that has a wrap. It actually protects it, keeps it from fading, changing colors, or doing what they call chameleon.
Yeah.
So pretty much the vehicle is going to be covered and cured overnight. It's like that. Once it you start going through the weather, or Texas weather.
Yeah.
I mean, it's going to be protected for years.
Yeah. And also, Cody said it helps the wrap not get impregnated with dirt and everything else over a long period of time.
Yeah, because the wraps, they do have pores. It's pretty much, it has to breathe. So pretty much it covers everything, and it doesn't, just get all dirt.
Yep. Grimy and gross.
So pretty much it's way easier to clean.
Well, we like clean cars.
Yeah.
Good morning. Yes. Day 2 for these guys. Day 3 for me, I think. I don't even know.
Alright, so nothing worse than getting blade cuts all over your nice paint job. If you ever decide that you wanted to take the wrap off, we want your car to look good. So what we have here is something called knifeless tape. Pretty much just a little wire that's in between a little thin piece of tape, and we'll lay that down in anywhere that we're going to have a cut, so that way we don't have to put a blade on the body of the vehicle. We'll put it underneath the vinyl, apply the vinyl over top, and then we'll give it a little rip and it'll cut right through. Okay, so we're back. I told you that we'd show you the knifeless tape after we put the vinyl on top. Now let's take a closer look. Right here you can see I've got the green piece of tape separated, and I'm pulling the little wire from the tape. You literally just pull toward, keep it close to the body, and it cuts right through. It does the work for you. Just gotta love it. Clean cut every time.
We're almost there, guys. Not much work left.
Brian Little.
All right, so I can barely contain my excitement, but I cannot tell y'all how good this looks. It looks absolutely amazing. Yo! Guys, is it ready yet? Is it ready yet? Oh my God, I can't wait! Oh my God! And here we go, guys! Oh my God, this looks absolutely nuts! Oh my God. Wow. Just wow. Look at the detail. Cody, I think you outdid yourself, my friend. Look at that, guys.
You like it?
I love it. Thank you so much.
You want to take a look inside?
I absolutely do. Let's take you for a little tour around what we did, guys.
Look at that door panel.
Oh my God. Look at that. Now that is the ultimate finishing touch to this thing. Wow. All right, and then y'all notice we do have a space theme in the car.
That's right. We've got a Galaxy set behind a series of different graphics that all come together to build the perfect wrap for Trackstar and Trackstar MediaWare.
It looks absolutely amazing. Hey, Funky Cole Medina over there. I appreciate you, man. Awesome job.
Brother.
Awesome job. It looks phenomenal. These guys are absolutely whooped. They're exhausted. They want to go home. I just want to make sure I take a shout out to all the sponsors of this build that are happening. SignFX, big shout out to Cody here. Amazing work. Appreciate him. Make sure y'all check him out at signfxonline.com. Tyler, Texas. All his info is there on the website. If you need an amazing wrap like this with quality work, make sure y'all come and see these guys for sure. And I appreciate all the other sponsors' helps, Craftworks Superchargers, Grams Performance and Design, Skunk 2 Racing, Careless.com, and Southern Adrenaline. I appreciate all the support on this build. Everyone's been absolutely phenomenal, and we're going to walk you through the entire process of this build. If you're new to the channel, make sure y'all hit that subscribe button and that big thumbs up.
That's right.
And we'll see y'all next episode. Boom. I could not be happier with how this car turned out. The process was long, over a 2-day period. The guys worked really hard. They really paid attention to the details. Everything was taken care of. Some of my favorite parts about the car, look at the color gradient here. It just pops absolutely everywhere. And then the layering in the graphics behind it, it's just a lot of detail. But my favorite part, period, 110%, is the ultimate finishing touch. Just look at how well that tied everything in. The inside is done to perfect detail. Oh my God, I couldn't be more excited. And it's super aggressive and manly in the back. And then as you work your way to the front, it gets bright and bold, and that's exactly what we wanted. Obviously, we have a lot coming for this car, so make sure y'all tune in. Don't miss any of the action. The next steps are going to be performance modifications. We wanted to get the exterior nice and pretty for you guys, so that way when we make this thing crazy with the Craftworks Supercharger, then you'll be super, super happy.